Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing how you want night vision, a simple trainer/cheat or a mod that adds true night vision shader effects. Once chosen, make a full backup of your GTA San Andreas folder and save files so you can recover if anything breaks. Then download the mod or trainer from a reputable site and scan it for malware. Make sure you also note any required helpers like Clio, ASI Loader, or a mod manager so the next steps go smoothly. Now install the supporting loader, mod loader or ASI, if the mod requires it. Follow the README to avoid misplaced files. Once the loader is in place, copy the mods, SE or DLL and any texture or shader folders into the game directory. Then open the mod's config or the provided INI and set your preferred toggle key and effect intensity. This ensures the night vision appears at a usable brightness. If the mod uses Clio scripts, drop the CS file. Finally, launch GTA San Andreas and load your save. Press the key you configured to toggle night vision. If the effect is too dark or blown out, exit and tweak brightness, contrast, or the mod's intensity in its config, then reload the game so changes apply. If night vision doesn't appear, make sure files are in the correct folders, restore your backup if needed, and update the ASI/Clio loaders. As a troubleshooting tip, revert to the backup and reinstall the mod step by step to find the faulty step.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.